Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your electronic mail or emails on your email provider. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete your emails on your email provider, I'll be deleting my emails on my Gmail. Now to delete it, you need to first go to your email. That will be my gmail.com for me. For you, it can be anything. It can be AOL, it can be Yahoo, it can be anything. Now let the page load first, and after loading you can see all these mails. Now if I wanted to delete it, you can see the delete option available over here just beside the mail which I hovered on. Now if I wanted to delete it, you can simply press on the delete and it will be deleted. And there's another way. If you just right click on the mail you want to delete, you can see all these options available and you will find the delete as well over here. And if you want to delete some mail in bulk, you can see, you can select your mails like this. Let's go back, and mails like this, and after that you can simply delete it from over here. Tap on delete like this and your emails will be deleted. And there guys, this is how you delete your emails. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.